Thanks to its compact design, you can easily install Pure First on any level surface close to a water tap. You can also fix it to the wall. For a perfect installation, we suggest you use the accessory kit provided with the product. First, connect the pipe to your water mains. If your tap is used by another appliance, a dishwasher for example, you can also use the special Y-shape adapter. For a perfect fit, you can feed the inlet pipe either from the side or behind the kitchen worktop. Alternatively, you can use the special adapter for your tap. Fix the tube into the product until it remains blocked. To guarantee an optimal level of filtration, we recommend you replace the water filter every 4 months. Open the lid . Replace the filter . And the battery . Press the reset button to restart your Pure First.